Have you ever wondered if the ancient civilizations had a little extraterrestrial help in creating their marvels? Today we delve into the captivating realm of the ancient astronaut theory. This fascinating hypothesis suggests that beings from other worlds may have visited our planet in antiquity, influencing the development of human civilizations in ways we can only imagine. The ancient astronaut theory is not just about extraterrestrial visitations. It's a bold interpretation of history that dares to question conventional understanding. It seeks to explain the remarkable technological achievements of ancient civilizations, achievements so astounding that they continue to baffle even the most brilliant minds of the 21st century. From the grand pyramids of Egypt to the enigmatic statues of Easter Island, the fingerprints of these supposed celestial visitors are believed to be scattered across the world, hidden within the fabric of ancient cultures. As we journey into the past, prepare to question what you thought you knew about history. The ancient astronaut theory isn't a new idea. Its roots lie deep in our past. In the rich tapestry of human history, there lie threads woven with tales and depictions of celestial beings. Ancient mythologies and religious texts are rife with accounts of gods descending from the skies, exhibiting technologies and knowledge beyond human comprehension. In the mid-20th century, these narratives caught the eye of a few curious minds. One of them was Erich von Däniken, a Swiss author. In 1968, he published a controversial book titled Chariots of the Gods, which proposed that the technological feats of ancient civilizations were not the product of human ingenuity alone. He suggested they were influenced, perhaps even guided, by extraterrestrial visitors. His work was a beacon, illuminating a path for others to tread. Another trailblazer was Zecharia Sitchin, a Soviet-born American author. He dedicated his life to the study of ancient civilizations and their languages. His series, The Earth Chronicles, published from the mid-70s to the mid-90s, presented a radical interpretation of Sumerian and Akkadian texts. According to Sitchin, these ancient writings speak of a race of extraterrestrial beings, the Anunnaki, who visited Earth hundreds of thousands of years ago and played a crucial role in the genesis of humanity. These works and others like them sparked a revolution in thinking, challenging our understanding of human history. They asked daring questions. Could we be the descendants not just of apes, but of starfarers as well? Could the enigmatic structures and technologies of antiquity be remnants of an otherworldly legacy? While these questions continue to stir debate, they also inspire us to look at our past with fresh eyes and an open mind. As we continue our journey into the ancient astronaut theory, remember this: sometimes the answers we seek are not in front, but behind us, etched in the annals of our ancestors. The proponents of the ancient astronaut theory point to a wealth of evidence. Let's delve into these intriguing pieces of the puzzle. To begin, let's talk about ancient artworks. Throughout history, countless civilizations have depicted strange beings and objects in their art. These depictions often bear an uncanny resemblance to modern interpretations of extraterrestrial life and advanced technology. For instance, consider the rock paintings of Tassili N'Ajjer in Algeria, dating back to 8,000 years ago. Here, we find images of humanoid figures with bulbous heads and large almond-shaped eyes, a description that might remind you of the popular image of grey aliens today. In addition to artwork, megalithic structures around the world have also piqued the interest of ancient astronaut theorists. These massive stone monuments, often built with a precision that seems to defy the technological capabilities of their time, are seen as potential evidence of extraterrestrial intervention. The pyramids of Giza in Egypt are a prime example. Built over 4,000 years ago, these structures align with the stars of Orion's belt with astonishing accuracy. How could an ancient civilization, without the aid of modern technology, achieve such an astronomical feat? Some suggest it's evidence of advanced knowledge imparted by visitors from the stars. Let's shift gears and talk about purported ancient technologies. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, is an ancient analog computer believed to be over 2,000 years old. Its intricate design and complex functionality have left many wondering if such a device could have been created without some form of advanced knowledge perhaps passed down by extraterrestrial visitors. Now let's take a flight over to South America, to the arid plains of Peru, where the Nazca lines are etched into the earth. These enormous geoglyphs, only fully visible from the air, have long been a source of fascination. Some theorists suggest that these lines served as runways or landing markers for extraterrestrial spacecraft. Taking a leap across continents, we land in India, where ancient texts like the Mahabharata and the Vimana Shastra speak of flying chariots and celestial wars. The descriptions of these Vimanas bear striking similarities to modern UFO reports and have been interpreted by some as evidence of ancient encounters with extraterrestrial technology. Finally, we find ancient astronaut depictions in various cultures worldwide. From the sky people of Native American folklore to the Anunnaki described in ancient Sumerian texts, these stories of beings descending from the heavens have been interpreted as possible encounters with extraterrestrial entities. Could these accounts be mere myths, or do they hold a kernel of truth about our ancestors' interactions with visitors from other worlds? These examples certainly stir the imagination, but are they definitive proof or mere coincidence? The answer, as with many mysteries of our ancient past, remains elusive. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is certain: the ancient astronaut theory continues to fascinate, inviting us all on a journey of discovery that transcends time and space. So let's keep exploring, questioning, and pondering the mysteries of our extraordinary past. Not everyone is convinced by the ancient astronaut theory. Let's delve into the skeptical perspectives. While the ancient astronaut theory has its fair share of enthusiasts, it's important to remember that it has been met with a significant degree of skepticism. Critics of the theory often point to alternative explanations for the phenomena attributed to ancient extraterrestrial visitors. One such explanation is cultural diffusion. This is the idea that knowledge can spread from one culture to another, leading to similar structures or technologies appearing in disparate parts of the world. So, those pyramids in Egypt and Mesoamerica, they might not be evidence of alien architects, but rather a testament to the shared ingenuity of human civilizations. Speaking of human ingenuity, many skeptics argue that the theory underestimates our ancestors' capabilities. It's easy to look back at the marvels of the ancient world and wonder how they could have possibly been built without modern technology. Yet, history is replete with examples of human innovation and resourcefulness. The construction of intricate structures or the development of complex astronomical knowledge could be attributed to the brilliance and perseverance of our forebears, not to extraterrestrial intervention. Misinterpretation of ancient texts and artifacts is another point of contention. Critics argue that proponents of the ancient astronaut theory often take metaphoric or symbolic depictions literally. What might be a spiritual or mythical representation in an ancient text or artwork is sometimes interpreted as a literal account of alien encounters. Moreover, the ancient astronaut theory has faced numerous criticisms of being pseudoscientific. Critics argue that it lacks empirical evidence, relies heavily on speculative interpretations, and often ignores established archaeological and historical research. These controversies highlight the importance of a rigorous, evidence-based approach to studying our past. The ancient astronaut theory, like any other, must withstand the crucible of critical scrutiny. So whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or somewhere in between, remember that the exploration of our ancient past is a complex, ongoing journey, one that invites curiosity, demands critical thinking, and thrives on open-mindedness. The ancient astronaut theory continues to fascinate, perplex, and divide opinion. We've ventured together through its origins, tracing its roots in ancient mythologies, religious texts, and archaeological discoveries. We've acknowledged the key figures and works that have brought this theory into the spotlight, such as Erich von Daniken's Chariots of the Gods and Zecharia Sitchin's The Earth Chronicles. We've explored the evidence and interpretations that proponents cite in support of their claims, from ancient artworks to megalithic structures, and debated ancient technologies. We've also considered skeptical viewpoints, alternative explanations, and the controversies that surround the theory. It's clear that the ancient astronaut theory is not just about ancient civilizations, but about the very nature of human curiosity and the mysteries that continue to confound us. As we navigate these enigmatic waters, remember to consider multiple perspectives and continue your own investigation into the ancient mysteries. The ancient astronaut theory invites us to question, to explore, and to keep an open mind. Our Our journey through the cosmos and back in time is coming to an end. We've delved into the enigmatic depths of the ancient astronaut theory, sifting through its origins, evidence, interpretations, skeptical perspectives, and the ongoing debate it sparks. We hope this journey has ignited your curiosity, offered new perspectives, and left you with more questions than answers. Do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more intriguing explorations into history's greatest mysteries. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, keep wondering.